Hi there. If you're a CPA, enrolled agent, or tax professional, you've probably heard the term CAF number come up. But if you're like some other practitioners I talk to, you might be wondering exactly what it is and why you need one. Hi, I'm Noel Lorenzana. I'm a certified public accountant and one of OnPay's expert contributors. And today I'm going to break down everything you need to know about CAF numbers, what they are, why they're critical for your accounting practice, and most importantly, how to get one. What is a CAF number? CAF stands for Centralized Authorization File, and it's a 9-digit identifier that the IRS assigns to tax professionals. Think of it as your ticket to represent clients before the IRS and to be able to securely get access to their tax information. Now here's where some people sometimes get confused. A CAF number is not the same as your PTIN. Your PTIN lets you prepare tax returns for pay. Your CAF number is what actually allows you to talk to the IRS on your client's behalf and also access their records and handle their tax issues. Without a CAF number, you're essentially handcuffed when it comes to your firm's client representation. You can't call the IRS about your client's case, you can't get copies of their transcripts, and you definitely can't resolve any issues that come up. It's like trying to be a lawyer without being admitted to the bar. Let me paint you a picture of why this matters so much for your accounting practice. Imagine your client gets an audit notice, or they need a payment plan set up, or maybe they just need copies of their old tax returns. Without a CAF number, you're basically telling your client, sorry, you'll have to handle this yourself, or you'll need to be on every phone call with me. That's not the level of service your clients expect, and likely not the level of service you want to provide. With a CAF number, you become their true representative. You can call the IRS directly, get the information you need, negotiate on their behalf, and resolve any client issues that come up. Plus, from a business perspective, being able to offer full representation services makes you more valuable to your clients. It's the difference between being just a tax preparer and being a full service advisor and advocate. The IRS uses your CAF number to track all the authorizations your clients have given you. It's all stored in their centralized database, so when you call, they can quickly verify that yes, you have the authority to discuss this taxpayer's case with them. Before we get into how to actually get your CAF number, let's clear up some common misconceptions. Misconception number 1, my PTIN is good enough. But is it? Your PTIN and CAF numbers serve completely different purposes. You'll need both if you want to provide comprehensive tax services. Misconception number 2, I can only have one CAF number. Actually, that's not the case. If you have multiple office locations or related business entities, you can actually have multiple CAF numbers to keep things organized. Misconception number 3, CAF numbers expire. Well, they don't actually expire, but here's the catch. If you don't use yours for an extended period, the IRS might mark it as inactive. The solution? Just keep using it regularly as part of your practice. Here's something else that surprises people. You can't just apply for a CAF number directly. The IRS doesn't have an application form sitting on their website waiting for you. Instead, they assign you a CAF number automatically when you submit your first power of attorney form on behalf of a client. This brings us to the 2 forms you need to know. Form 2848, which is the power of attorney form, and Form 8821, which is for tax information authorization. We'll talk about these more in just a minute. All right, here's the practical part. How do you actually get your CAF number? Step 1, choose the right form. You'll either need Form 2848 or Form 8821. Form 2848 is the power of attorney form. This gives you broad authority to represent your client. Form 8821 is more limited because it just authorizes you to receive tax information. Most of the time, you'll want Form 2848 because it gives you full representation rights. Step 2, fill out the form completely and accurately. This is where attention to detail really matters. You'll need to include all your personal information, your name, address, phone number, and any professional credentials like CPA or EA. In the section that asks for your CAF number, you'll write none, because remember, you don't have one yet. This is how the IRS knows they'll need to assign you a new number. Make sure your client's information is complete and accurate too. Any mistakes here can delay the process or cause problems down the line. Step 3. Submit the form. You can submit Form 2848 or 8821 traditionally by mail or fax to the appropriate IRS office. The instructions that come with each form will tell you exactly where to send it based on your client's location and the type of tax matter you're handling. Just don't try to hand deliver it. What is new is that you can now upload it online through an IRS Tax Pro account or through their IRS online tool. Step 4. Wait for your CAF number. Here's where patience comes in. The IRS will mail your CAF number to you, and it can take up to 6 weeks. I know that seems like forever, but that's just how the process works. Once you receive your CAF number, make sure to keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible. You'll be using it on every future Form 2848 and 8821 that you submit. And that's it. Once you have your CAF number, you're officially in the IRS database as an authorized representative. From that point forward, you'll use your CAF number on all future power of attorney forms, and the IRS will be able to quickly verify your authority to represent clients. If you don't already have a CAF number, it makes good business sense to get one. Even if you don't think you need it right now, having it ready means you can provide better service when your clients need representation. Remember, this isn't just about compliance, it's about being able to offer the full range of professional services your clients expect and deserve. Check out the links in the description below for the actual forms and instructions from the IRS website so you can get started right away. And if you're thinking about helping your firm's clients manage their small business payroll, be sure to check out OnPay's partner program. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more practical tax tips. And if you have questions about CAF numbers or anything else we covered today, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.